Hello, welcome to Referee PAC. Our purpose is that we are non-ideological, non-partisan, and what we seek to do is to enable candidates to get directly in contact with the voters and remove all filters. To do that, what we try to facilitate is that you can put your resume up on our website and have control over the content. We will automatically input information if we don't hear from you. But barring that, let me just introduce you to the form. So you will have received an email with a link to a page that looks like this, and then you will also have a code that you input here. That's the verification code. It'll be a series of random numbers and digits, alphanumeric digits, and then here is where you can put in the rest of your information. So you have random digits that go in here, and then that is supplied in your email, and then you put in your campaign website, http, make sure you have that, voteforme.org or what have you, and then you have several options as to how you would like to put in your resume. You may upload a JPEG or PDF file, and so what happens is that if you select that particular dial button, you will click the submit button here. It will bring up a mailing window, and the mailing window, what you do is that you will attach a file to the email whenever you send it. So you would add an attachment, and then that would be your resume. If you choose instead to link to an online post of your resume, right now we only accept Ballotpedia because they exercise a certain level of quality control. So that of course would be https:// and whatever your Ballotpedia information is located. Another option is that you can fill in a form, and we accept text here, and so you can put in your education information right here, and then you can also put in your volunteer and working experience here. And that's what we're essentially trying to provide to the voters, is what is your education and what is your working and volunteer experience. So whenever you do any of these dial buttons, you eventually will click the submit button. It'll bring up an email, and do not edit the email. That is a specific format, and so that's so that the system can automatically upload and input the information. The first time you use it will be a little bit slow because I will manually go through it and make sure that any bugs are taken care of. Some mail systems will cause errors to trigger, and I will have to work around that. And then also sometimes folks are not familiar with the fact that you need to have an HTTP here, or whenever they try to upload a file, it's not a JPEG or a PDF. So we'll just work out those errors. Also, I have input that it will come from a certain email address, and if that turns out to not be the case, we will change the email address to the one that you're actually using in order for you to input this information. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, and good luck in your race.